So, a new year, new release. What's up, y'all? I'm everything track back at it again. So, you all know there have been sales on Amazon and Sony and Marshall, etc., etc. Everybody's been having the Father's Day sale. So, I decided that it was probably time for me to get some new headphones. So, you all don't know, I had some Powerbeats and I was playing basketball and they accidentally got hit. So one of them went down and broke on me. So because of that, I have been using my JBL Endurance Race 2s, which are these right here. Now, you have all seen me do a video. You haven't, you can go check in the link. I'll have it as description, the comment box somewhere. But I've been using these JBL Endurance Races. And funny enough, these have been better than the Powerbeats to an extent. And why do I say that? Because of the price. If I remember correctly, I got these from Best Buy at the time and they were like $70. Well, I've been using them and I saw these, the new ones, the JBL Endurance Race 2s, which are these. And I saw they had some new features and some more time. The time constraints were lessened, which means you can listen to them more. So before we get to this though, I will say that these are better than Powerbeats Pros. These specifically. These JBL Endurance Races, for the price. For the price, they are good. Now, obviously, I do have my Beat Solo 4s. I have my Beat Studios 3s, my Studio Pros. I use those when I go walking or when I went to the library, when I was in college, etc., etc. But I've been using my Powerbeats Pros and my JBL Endurance for playing basketball, go on the track, running, etc., etc. That's why I'm doing this review video, because these are some excellent, at least these first ones. So these first ones are good. I'm going to assume that the second ones are even better, but I'm going to do a review on them. But just to let you all know, for the price, it's like, would you rather spend $249? These are the ones that I had. I had the first edition. Now you got these second editions, but regardless, they're still $159, and for the new ones, you're paying $249. You can probably go to Walmart and catch the second one. See, here you go right here, but they're going to probably be refurbished. But yeah, look at the price. So for the price versus the price of the JBL Endurance Race 2s, you're paying $60. They were $79.99, but again, you got them on sale. Excellent colors, by the way. Excellent colors. Nice colors. The colors they had beforehand, I think it was just black and white, but now they have blue, black, white, and this purple that is sold out. I'm not gonna lie, this purple is nice. This is a nice purple. But let's get to the features of these. So these are waterproof and dustproof, IPS 6/8 rating. They have the twist lock technology, which these have as well. The first one had them as well. Enhance your workout with sports mode. Use the JBL headphones app to match your workout with active noise cancellation. Now that's new. Ambient wear and equalizer. And now you have 6 default sport modes. And you have a relax mode as well. Features: active noise canceling and smart ambient system. You have 4 mics for crisp calls. JBL Pure Bass sound. 6.8 millimeter dynamic drivers. So they're bigger than the ones. Blooper. They're bigger than the first ones. You also have 48 hours of playback time. Now that's what caught my attention. 48 hours of playback time. Enjoy 12 hours of play time plus another 3 charges, which will now get you up to 36 hours in the charging case. Need to rechange even faster. 10 minutes on a USB Type-C charging cable will give you another 4 hours of playtime with active noise cancellation off. So you do have USB-C. These also do have USB-C. So if you want to save even more money, you can go with the first ones, the first gen. But for $60, you might as well get the second gen. You get an active noise cancellation, more hours. What's $10 extra? Multi-point connection. Pair your JBL Endurance Race 2 earbuds with 2 Bluetooth devices and then switch effortlessly from one to the other. So if you're watching a video on a tablet, you won't miss a call on your mobile phone. Seamless Bluetooth Bluetooth pairing, and JBL Endurance Race 2 come enabled with both Fast Pair by Google and Swift Pair by Microsoft. So you can pair both your Android devices and Microsoft computer with a single tap. And I will say, because I was using my JBL Endurance before I got my new studios, I was using them on my laptop. Easy to pair to the laptop. So yeah, this is what you're looking at right here. You can look at the specs. The kilohertz is what got me. It goes all the way down to 20 kilohertz, so you know that bass is going to be crazy. You can look at these and pause it for yourself. So anyways, let's get into the unboxing. I feel like Flossie Carter right now. But yeah, these are some very good headphones, the first ones were. But let's look at the back. Run your race. It talks about what's on it. So IP version 6, active noise cancellation, crisp clear calls, twist lock, and on the side you have her JBL Dare to Listen. This is the front. 48 hours, 12 hours plus 36 hours in the case, active noise cancellation, twist lock, and IP version 6. And on the side you can get the app. The app is available on both Google Play and the App Store. Active noise cancellations, you have your sports mode, you have your relax mode, and this is all the properties that are encased inside of this box. So again, you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm on the road to 6K. I'm almost there. And I'll just be honest with you guys, there's no point in getting Powerbeats Pros. Now if you want to get them, you can get them, but you're saving well over $100 if you get these. And I'm telling you guys, I'm just telling you, you're gonna be very happy whenever you save those $100 when you realize these sound just as good, if not better. And I'm only saying that because I already have the first gen, and the second gen, which is this one right here, the unboxing, has better specs. So okay. Oh, okay. So we got that out here. Okay. Got a lot of stuff in here. So, quick start guide. Okay. Usual books. Warranty guide. What we have here? USB-A to USB-C. Okay, now I already have one of these, and I wish what they would have done was USB-C to USB-C. But you can go to Best Buy and go buy your own, I guess. That's what Apple tells you, at least. There's nothing in here. That's what the headphones fell out of. So yeah, just gonna flock this to the side. Okay. These are your headphones. They don't have them in the case. That's interesting. These are your headphones right here. They're not in the case though. They give you some extra size. They give you some sizes right here. Large, small. I believe medium is already put in. I did go with the blue this time. They look nice. Okay. These feel lighter. Okay, so just to give you guys a comparison, are they smaller? No, they're not smaller, but that hook is definitely okay. No, they are smaller. Okay, so if you can tell, I'm not making this up, they're smaller as well. So they're gonna be smaller in your ears. I knew something was odd. They're definitely smaller because the lettering is smaller as well. So the hook is smaller. Look at that. The hook is smaller, the headphone is smaller. Okay, that's different. You can tell right there, that's different. This looks more, this you can tell this right here. This part right here is wider, where this is more slimmed down. Okay, so they did make some cosmetic changes. They did change it a little bit. Put that to the side. Here goes the case. Okay, yeah, it's a little different. Okay, so JBL 1, JBL 2, they both say JBL on top. The charging indicator is different. This one is right under the flip, where this one is kind of in the middle. Okay. Okay, now you can tell on here it's blank, but on the new one it says JBL. I'm sorry, it says Endurance Race 2, USB-C on the back of both of them. On the bottom, this one's blank, and this one has like some words on the bottom. Okay, well, that's cool. Let's go ahead and put them in. So the video is already long. This is nice. So it's smaller. The headphones are smaller. Well, let me see how it fits in my ear real quick. Okay, this is pretty good. Shaking my head right now. I'm moving my head crazy. It's trying to pair to my headphones, to my phone, but my phone's not on it. But I'm moving my head like a maniac right now, and it's staying in my ear. Okay, well, that's good. So you're definitely not going to have any problems. You can move like a maniac with these on. Oh, that's new. Did you guys see that? I'll have to look on the manual and see what that means, but that's not on the first gen. But yeah, this is just the unboxing. The video is already long. Again, if you want to see a full review, then let me know in the comment section below. But just going off the first one, just going off of these are better than Powerbeats Pro for the price. For the price, you're saving more money. These look like these are gonna probably be way better. And I'll just let you all know. But again, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment under the comment section saying if you want me to review them as well. And I'll get back to y'all on that. With that being said, peace.